Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name's Leo. If you're new here, thanks for watching. And if you're a subscriber or a returning viewer, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, thank you. All right, so today we are going to jump right into it. I'm going to be doing a makeup challenge where I've seen this on Instagram and I've seen a couple of my favorite YouTubers do it. I believe I saw Nikki Tutorials do it and Alyssa Ashley. Those two are awesome to watch, love their channels, and they did a great job with this challenge. And so I'm gonna do this challenge a little bit differently, and this eyeshadow challenge basically is where you take your favorite palette or a palette and that gives you a lot of options, and you number each shadow, throw it in a little box or whatever, shake it up, and randomly choose a few numbers to make an eye look. So we're gonna be doing that, but I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. So I've got my favorite palette right here, which is the ABH and Alyssa Edwards palette. And just to, well, you know, you might want to see the colors if you haven't seen my review already of the ABH palette. Here are these beautiful shades. But I'm also gonna mix it up, and I'm going to add in a least favorite palette of mine that I still held on to. And it's not only least favorite for quality, but it's also least favorite for the brand itself. And y'all are probably going to kill me. Kat Von D Metal Matte. I'm also using this because I don't want to support the brand. I bought this years ago. Like, I bought this when it came out, didn't see any reviews for it or anything, and yeah, this was a limited edition release, so you can't even get it even if you want it for whatever reason. I don't know why you would support this brand. Look it up yourselves. I really don't want to get into that because it's a lot. It's a lot that I don't care for, and I actually bought this before a lot of that stuff came to light. So yeah, so I've got my most favorite palette and my least favorite palette. So how I numbered them is basically for the Alyssa palette, that was going to be the first one, and I numbered it 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, just to sort of mix it up so it's not, I don't know, it just mixes it up. However, for the Metal Matte palette, I couldn't exactly do the same thing, so we're just numbering it 1, 2, 3, and then so, or not 1, 2, 3, sorry. So the number 14 on the Alyssa palette would be Beast, which is the black shade. So this would be 15, 16, 17, and so on, and then all the way down to, I believe, 36, which would be this black right here. Hopefully I don't get the black twice because that would suck. Uh-oh, someone's calling me. Hopefully I don't get the black twice because that would suck and be a really boring look. All right, and yes, I tried to film this before, but me being a typical person in a rush because I was trying to film it before work so I could get, you know, some reactions out of people just in case it came out a crazy look. Yeah, I didn't record any of that. Thought I hit the record button and nothing was recording, so we're just gonna move past this. I'm going to redo it. So my base is already done. For those who love seeing foundation tutorials, don't worry, I have a special one coming up very soon. It's coming up within the week. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and dive right in. My eyes are already primed with the new ABH primer. I did a review on that. I have the mini. This is the new ABH primer. I did a review on that versus the P. Louise primer. You can see that on my channel. All right, and here we go. So I have all of my little numbers in a little Star Wars thing that I sold from the kitchen, and we're just gonna randomly, I hope I don't pick two on accident because I cut them really small. Something's sticking to my finger. Okay, I'll just pick one. So we've got number 24. Okay, and I didn't say how many I'm picking. I'm going to be picking 4 colors. Alrighty. So 24 is first. Okay, and then we've got 35. Okay, so that tells me 2 colors from the Kat Von D. Okay, give me some Alyssa. Give me some Alyssa. Okay, I picked one. This is 27. Okay, why am I getting all Kat Von D shades? Come on, give me one Alyssa. Come on. Big money. One Alyssa, please. Please. And we've got, okay, one from Alyssa, color number 4. All right, let's go ahead and see what colors I've got. We'll start with the Alyssa palette. Color number 4 is 1, 2, 3, why? Okay, so color number 4 is HOE, which stands for House of Edwards. It is this kind of camel shade right there. I already have a bad feeling about this look. Let's see what we can do with this. So let's go in numerical order so I don't confuse myself. Okay, so 24. Oh, God, I hate this shade. I hate this shade. So this is the shade Linen, which is the white shade in the Metal Matte palette. Okay, we're gonna try and make this work. All right, so we've got those two colors. Now 27. 27, also in the Kat Von D palette, is Stone. It is this gray shade. And let's see what 35 is. Well, crap, I already know what 35 is because 36 is Velvet, so 35 is Bone. Wow, I've got literally no color in this look. This is gonna be such a boring look. Okay, you know what? Because two colors are similar and I can't do this to myself, please give me one pop of color that I can work with. I'm going to add one more color. Please, please be something. Color number 3. That's Alyssa, but the way that I numbered it is Inspire. This is the second time that I'm gonna have a weak sauce look. All right, alrighty. So you know what? We're just gonna go in. We're just gonna go in. I'm so not excited for this look. There are no crazy colors. Gosh, I'm really hating myself. I'm gonna go in one more time. One more time. Please give me a color. Like a colorful color. Can I have a colorful color, please? Is this in the frame? I hope that this is in the frame. Color number 8. Okay, that's promising. It's also within Alyssa. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can work with that. Okay. So color number 8 is Beyond Believe Dance Company. And yes, I'm going to be using all these colors. So I have all the colors set aside. All right, so the color that I'm going to go in with first is Bone, just to go all over as much as I really don't want to. And Bone is in the Kat Von D Metal Matte palette. And we're just going to go all over this. Just to kind of set that. Okay, boom, it's been used. Next, I'm going to use Linen. I'm gonna go in with this little brush right here. Ooh, let's hope for the best. I'm just patting that on. The pigmentation is not great, not the best, definitely nothing compared to the pigmentation in the Alyssa Edwards palette. And I'm just going to put that on the inner third of my eyelids. Okay. All right, next we're going to go ahead and go into Stone, which was color number 27. Ooh, this is going to be weird. This is going to be really weird. And I'm just, ooh, that's really dark. Really dark and really does not want to move or blend. Yikes. I mean, then again, it's an old palette, so these colors are probably like beyond dead. And I didn't use this palette a lot when I got it. It was one of those like impulse buys. I was just like, ooh, I want a really big palette, you know, that has like lots of different color choices to it. And so I got that. We're gonna make this work, guys. I have an idea of how to make this work. Okay, so I was able to diffuse it a bit at the edges. It's like where I put it right here that it's just like, ugh, which is one of the reasons why I didn't like this color. I really don't like a lot of these colors in this palette. Oh dear. Now I'm gonna go into Beyond Belief Dance Company. Same brush, and we're just going to pack that on over here. I actually like how this is turning out because this is so different from anything that I would actually like do on purpose. It's coming out like really smoky, and I actually really like that. I like the smoky look because when I was younger, oh my god, I want to say I was like 13 or 14, this awful movie called Sucker Punch came out. And the only thing that I liked about it was the costume design and makeup. Oh man, my mom is calling me. Gotta hurry up and finish this so we can go to a birthday party. And it took me forever to get my computer to connect to my camera. It was just not wanting to do anything.
Back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing.
Yeah, definitely. I love what the white, this like terrible white, is doing to the purple. And now all I have to do is add Inspire with my ring finger. That finally feels a little bit better right here into that inner corner. Wow, this is actually kind of cool. Yes, I'm actually liking this. It's so different. That is so different and out there. Like, who would have paired that on purpose? I feel like I'm missing a color. Got number 8, 27, 35, 24, 3. No, that's... Oh my god, I forgot to put House of Edwards. That's what it was. Oh my goodness. Okay, I know exactly where to put that. I know exactly where to put that. So we're just gonna fuse these two together. Now with another fluffy brush, I'm gonna go into House of Edwards. And I'm just going to graze that over the outside. Oof, that was a bad idea because this is really pigmented. So it's just gonna... No, it actually worked out pretty okay. I'm sorry that House of Edwards didn't get to be a nice little star in this because I forgot about it. She was an afterthought. But it kind of drags the smokiness a little bit up to the brow bone. Alright, just doing a little bit more fusing of colors and running Beyond Belief Dance Company underneath underneath all that.
Back and forth. Oh, I don't understand.
Man, I just love how pigmented that purple is over that awful gray color. It just really like makes it come alive. So much better. All right, and since there are mostly matte shades on here, I can actually go into my beloved Fenty Beauty eyeliner. I think I accidentally grabbed the busted one. I have such a hard time letting go of my eyeliner pens, y'all. Don't judge. Like, eyeliner and eyeshadow are my favorite things to do, and it's really hard for me to let go of the old stuff, especially if it's still pigmented and still works. And even though this is the gunked up one, like, it still performs. Okay, this one is just giving me a little bit of trouble, so I need to grab the slightly better one. This is still not my new one. Still haven't cracked open my new one. But I wanted this one so I can get a little bit of an easier time getting this liner look. Alright, and I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll show you the finished look. Alright, and this is the finished look. Let me scooch in just a little bit closer so that you can see. I didn't really feel like putting on lashes because I really want to see how I made that color combo work. Yeah, it's definitely not something that I would do like on purpose, but I actually kind of had a little bit of fun blending that out and, you know, just making it work, especially with colors that I really can't stand from that Kat Von D palette. Like, I'm really glad that I was able to make it work and make it something wearable. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I will list the rest of my face products that I use to finish my look down in the description bar below. If you like this video, please definitely subscribe so you can catch more of my videos and hit that bell notification so that when I do post, you'll be notified. And hey, isn't it cool to be like the first to comment? I've been able to comment like first on a few videos and I feel so special, like, oh, I was here first. it's kind of a weird feeling, like, oh, out of the millions of people who watch, like, I'm first. Ah. So yeah, like, you could be first to comment on mine, and I definitely want to know what you guys have to say. I'm really excited because remember, this channel is here for you. You can also follow me on my socials, Twitter and Instagram, that I'll have linked down in the description bar and right here. I also have a mini announcement to share with y'all. I'm so excited. I've got a new series that is going to be posted every Monday coming up, starting this coming Monday. So next Monday, if you're watching this as this is posted, then next Monday will be the start of my brand new series. If you want to know what it is, you have to subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you see it when it pops up. I won't be doing it every Monday. I'm going to shoot for every other Monday, and definitely I'll tell y'all more details in that initial video. Thank y'all so much for watching and supporting. I love you, love you, love you, love you. If you have any suggestions for new challenges or products that you would like me to review, leave them in the comments or DM me, or even send me a tweet, send me a little Instagram message at me, whatever you want to do to let me know what you want to see next. And I can't wait to see y'all in the next one. See ya.